Good morning, good day, community. Today we open with this interesting topic. Thank you, Pavel, for introducing. Do you remember the Nokia phones with a snake game on it? And it was such popular and as ChatGPT right now. Our first speakers combine those two topics together to introduce it to us. My name is Seva Ben. I will moderate this session. For now, before we start, I just want to tell a couple of things about today's conference. It will be recorded and it will be available to you in a week. Also, you can put, and I encourage you to ask your questions on the YouTube channel, and you can post it in the VIA community. Our speakers today are Anton Ilchenko and Artsiom, and both are engineering lead experienced guys. I was impressed looking to information about you guys. How do you feel today? What does encourage you to share topics with us today?
Well, it's always interesting to know what's inside and how AI can help us, and we are definitely eager to share our experience, how not just to write a code using ChatGPT, but also how to collaborate, because we think and we really believe that collaboration is a key to success.
This good notion that I wanted to ask you. You prepared this topic not with a single person, but you're a team. You're two. This is impressive collaboration.
Thank you. And also, we would like to have we'd like to demonstrate a quite common situation when one developer works on a project, starts the project actually using AI, and then for some reason this developer cannot continue to work, maybe assigned to another project or something like that, and another developer can pick up and can work on this project. So this is interesting experience, and we would like to share our experience, and we definitely encourage everyone to ask questions, to tell us maybe about your experience, and because this is very interesting subject, and from our perspective, this could add a very good value to our development process.
Guys, sound exciting. The stage is yours.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so we will start with the snake game. I guess everyone knows what is the snake game. So this is a game where you control the snake. It's an actor which eats some fruits, and this snake grows over time. And in case if snake hits the borders, or in case if snake eats itself, then it's game over. So we will start with development process. We will start with the very beginning. So first of all, we need to have a technical task, right? So let's start with asking ChatGPT to create a technical technical description, and I cannot tell that it will be a design document or blue doc, but we will create something like this. I'm using my personal ChatGPT account, so you can see GPT 3.5. It's not a paid version, so let's see where it can lead us. So first of all, let's start with some prompt engineering, and if some of you still did not had a chance to pass prompt engineering course in EPAM, I really encourage you to do it. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT to become a business analyst. So you are a business analyst. I am the client. We need to create a snake game. Please ask me questions to create a design document for the development. And let's see what ChatGPT will do it. So we can see that ChatGPT is generating the document, and it has a lot of questions. And this is a good thing. So of course we will not provide all the questions, all the answers in one document. So we will ask ChatGPT to do it in interactive mode. So please ask me one question at a time, and I will respond in one line after I provide a response for a document. Please move to the next one. Okay, so what is the primary objective or purpose of the snake game? The player controls the snake, which eats fruits and grows with each fruit eaten. If the snake hits the border or hits itself, then it's the game over. That's it. Thanks for providing. Which platforms do you need to release this game? JavaScript, running in browser, using canvas element. Great choice. Could you provide a brief overview of?
Anton, sorry, I need to interrupt you. There looks like your screen is frozen and we have a lot of comments. Can you please reshare it?
Of course. Yes, thank you very much
Thank you.
I will try again. I guess. Can you see it now? No, I guess you cannot. Strange.
I see chat, but empty.
Yeah. No problem. I will try to share my entire screen. I hope you can see it. Can you see my screen now?
Yep.
Okay,
nice.
Great. Thank you very much. Yeah, sorry for this technical issue. Okay, so from the beginning, I wrote a request, I wrote a prompt. You're a business analyst, I'm the client. We need to create a snake game. Please ask me questions to create a design document for the development. And ChatGPT responded with me with a lot of questions. It would like me to know the answers. And I've provided next prompt. Please ask me one question at a time, and I will respond in one line. After I provide response for the current question, please move to the next one. And ChatGPT starts to ask me a question starts to ask me questions one at a line. So I've provided several questions, a brief overview of how the game is played. So the player controls the snake with arrow keys on a field of, I guess, 20 by 20. Yeah. I guess that's it. Do you have a specific result style and the specific graphics of animation you need to include? Graphics, should represent its bit style. More specific animations. How players should control the snake. Keyboard arrow keys. Will the game have different levels of difficulty? How the players will progress through the game? No difficulty settings, because we want to keep our game as simple as possible. Players progress the game well as they Power up, no power up, but of course we can add them, but not now. How the scoring system will work? Do you want to include a score leading board? No leaderboard. Scoring. So score increases by 1 with each confirm. Sound and music, no sound and music, no specific. But take a look. Please take into consideration that this is a proof of concept. Of course, we can then add something, add assets, but now we need to have a proof of concept. Monetization, no monetization, but probably in the future we'll create a version with monetizations. Do you have a planned testing game before release and a specific quality standards or requirements to it? The game should not crash. Only manual testing is planned. Timeline and budget. We have no budget, and we need this game to be ready today. And yes, MVP. Team and roles. Who will be involved in development of the game? Do you have a project manager or lead developer assigned? Only one developer and the client. Only legal considerations? No. Thank you. The final question, additional features. Additional features requirements not covered above? No. Everything is covered. Okay, so yes, and it says good luck with development of the game. And it's quite important thing just to provide ChatGPT a context. So please provide me highlights of the product we need to create. Here's the highlights. So this is the highlights. So this is just to enforce ChatGPT with context. Sometimes you won't need it, but of course it's a good thing for you as well. Okay, the summary should provide a clear overview. Okay, so now I guess we can start with coding. So now you are the only developer. Please provide me stages of product development with the following format. Stage name, stage description, page description. So project setup, this is actually what do we need to do. And I will finish with some I will finish with some product. I will finish with something that is displayed on the screen, and then I will pass my word to Artyom. Okay, so we have stages. We have like WBS, and we can start. Okay, let's proceed to stage 1. Which actions do we need to take? And please provide me the list of files we need to create. Okay, folder, HTML file, JavaScript file, CSS file, necessary assets. Okay, so please let me know if you don't see the screen of my Visual Studio Code, but you should be able to see it. And I guess we can. So this is the terminal. I guess we can. So which do we have? We do index HTML, game.js, style CSS. So we don't create assets. So we will have only index HTML, game.js, style CSS. So index HTML, snake.js. I guess it is game.js, but okay. Let's make as the ChatGPT said, and we need to create styles .css. Okay, so we have all the files created. Okay, great, and let's do git init as well. And let's do git init created structure. Okay, so please provide me completed code of oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, okay. I've accidentally pressed enter, and it started to generate the game. Okay, so now we're moving somewhere. Okay, so let's copy paste code that we have. CSS styles if we need, and game.js. So I press go live button. Oh, look, we have a game. So ChatGPT generated us a game. So I really control it by arrows. Hit the border. There is a game over. There is nothing. I cannot restart it. So you can see that in several minutes we created some sort of POC. Yes, and I see that we also have a game over when Snake ate itself. So yes, I guess that now we have our first part ready. So I will also do it by myself. I will do a git commit. Okay, so let's imagine the following situation. I will switch to here. Oh, sorry. Nice. So let's let's imagine the situation when I finished my work on this project, and Artyom started to work on this project. So I will share with Artyom. I will share the actions that we need and the code. So yeah, yes, just a second. So Artyom, how do you feel? Do you like it?
Yeah, while you're sharing, so we'll make some kind of introduction. So right now we have typical situation when someone already finished his work, and maybe this person, if even no more working on with you on the same company, on the same project, and so on, and how to proceed with this, because mostly we're not working with the new code. We work a lot with the code that is old, that is some legacies, that I don't know, maybe you need to make changes in existing some functionality. So I will share my screen. I will use Fiddle.
Okay, yeah, Fiddle.
Like you see all, you see all. And don't share with me some. So okay, the easiest way how to share the code and how to share the work that was made with ChatGPT, it's actually to share the link to the chat. So surprise, but there is a functionality right now in ChatGPT, so you can share the full history. But of course, will it work? So if this person already leave the company and so on, in my case, actually, I will use this hack, and I will ask ChatGPT to give me the old JavaScript file instead of make some copy from the chat, like Anton shared with me. And I will ask, please, of course I write always please, because when ChatGPT will conquer our world, I want to die the last because I was always polite with AI. Please give me full.js file. And it's working. Okay, let's copy it. And while I'm making this all manual work, I will also give me HTML, give me full HTML, give me full HTML file. I will ask you for some interaction with me. I will show several scenarios how I will modify this game, and also I want you to make modification of this game. And I ask you to write any comments here in chat, or maybe on our YouTube channel. So I right now open it and see the chat. If you wanted to add some feature, please add. It would be nice. And give me full CSS file. And as I said, this is the easiest way. And I think you wouldn't have such possibility in real project, because someone who will make this will make this with ChatGPT or another AI wouldn't share the link with you. So I would be honest with you, I will create a new chat. So every chat has its own context, and actually it didn't know about anything that you previously talked. So I have a long history talking with ChatGPT, but this one chat wouldn't know about all these stories and about this snake, and even it don't know about it. And another thing that I want here to mention that actually ChatGPT, as Anton said, this is the free version. Okay, let's try. I want to make something and add some features, but actually I don't know how to work with ChatGPT. So how we will handle it? Okay, we will just ask ChatGPT how we can work with him. How can I share my JS, CSS, and HTML with you, and you will make some changes in it. I'll be happy, just copy JavaScript, CSS, HTML. Okay, no problem. Oh, before we start, let's try to run this game just to check that everything is working. Okay, not sure why, but you see that, okay, it's working. Let's try to eat something. Yep, all okay. And when we die, what happens? We see alert. Nice. Here is my HTML, my CSS, my JS. Oh, and actually he understands that this is the snake game. Very nice. Okay, first that I want to do with this game, let's see. I want to make some, for example, CSS changes. Yep, and actually when we work with ChatGPT, we need to be very exact for what we want to do. Yep. And I will make a request, long, yep. And what I want to do, I want to change how we finish the game, yeah, because right now we see the alert. And I want to have some message that would be just on the screen. Please replace the alert with message that will cover the game when you finish the game. Also, every time you need to say that you need to have the full file, because chat generate only the parts that you need actually to replace, but we're lazy, we don't want to do this and to have this. Give me the full file. What else? Okay, we'll see what will happen. Okay, first of all, generate the HTML. We'll already see game, your score, restart. Nice. CSS and JavaScript. Looks like, oh, it's not a full JavaScript file. You see, it's ask you. Okay, we need to ask. Please give me the full JS file with all the lines. Copy it, and we'll try to run. Okay, let's. Yeah, and we have here very, very nice screen. to be honest, when I tried this before, the screen was not so good and not so cool. Okay, and like this, you can work with ChatGPT and ask for new features. Maybe, for example, let me see what else. I want to change the end game message to, oh, not the end game. I want to have a start message. Game was developed by Artsiom and Anton. Press enter to start. Yep, and features like this. So the chat will generate the code for you. As I previously said, yep, the code is not ideal. You need to review, you need to check it. If we will go through the code itself and check the quality of it, this is not perfect. Yep, you'll see. Because usually such things we make with styles. So ideally, if I was a developer and developed by yourself this game, I will add some class names or class styles and will describe all the styles that need to be done here in styles and add only class name to the element instead of make direct changes. But anyway, this already working technology. Yeah, it's already make some code and it help you to make any changes. So as a result, maybe someone share anything in the chat and want to try by himself to generate some feature, add feature with random extra fruits that give different amounts of, okay. Head should be distinguished. Actually, okay, I see from Sash that this request, it looks like it will be done more easily by ChatGPT and will be more understandable. Let's try. So you see, it's generate. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time to try it right now, but looks like this code will work. Anyway, if you want to try it by yourself, I will copy the link to the chat and I will share the fiddle file. And after we will finish, we will share this in our social networks, and you would be able to try to play with this and make changes. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See if you're muted. No problem. Yeah. So as I say, we will share this in our chat, these links, and you would be able to try it by yourself.
And also, if you want, we can have some sort of follow-up tech talk where we can do just a coding with ChatGPT, and maybe we can do some collaboration with in Fiddle. So if you would be interested in such an event, so please let us know and we will organize it, and we'll have just a calm codecast with ChatGPT just to work on the Snake game.
Perfect, guys. Thank you a lot. A couple of questions that I monitor that most guys ask to share the code. If you can drop a link, or if it's okay.
Yeah, I will just right now connecting to the chat, to the public, and we'll share it.
Perfect. Maybe if our audience want to also collaborate, they can drop a message here and connect. Perfect. Thank you a lot. I think that the most guys comment about your jokes to be kind of polite with ChatGPT. Sounds impressive. Thank you a lot.